Here's an easy way to level up your instant noodles. Start by boiling some water in a pot. Once it's bubbling, drop in your noodles and dumplings together. When everything's cooked, take the dumplings out first, then drain the noodles and place them in a bowl. Now it's time to build flavor. Add all the seasoning packets into the bowl and mix everything well. To boost the flavor and texture, I'm adding some corn and shredded cheese. The corn adds a nice crunch, and it also helps balance out the spice if you're using a spicy ramen. Once it's all set, pop the bowl into the microwave for about 50 seconds, just enough to melt the cheese. After the cheese is melted and everything looks delicious, place the dumplings back on top. Don't worry about taking notes. I'll show the full ingredient list at the end of the video. And there you go! Your upgraded dumpling ramen bowl is ready to dig in. What toppings do you like to add to your ramen? Let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new combos to try.